Japanese Uncovered has a really fun, engaging story. It's called Samurai no Takara, which means treasure of samurai. And I think it's really cool. And the reason why I say that is because the way the story is set up is designed to help the learner. It's not like some kind of just fantasy story that you'd find in anime, which I love anime, but a lot of the words that we might learn in anime that we really think are fun are not really going to be used in normal Japanese conversations. Like in Japan, you'll never have to go kagebunshin no jutsu, right? Or hokage ni naru. Phrases and vocabulary like that are not going to be useful in Japan. Whereas the story, Samurai no Takara, it's actually based around realistic characters who are traveling to Japan and interacting with Japanese people, having ordinary conversations like meeting in an airport, getting onto a train, exploring a tourist destination, all while solving a mystery. You get all of that cool stuff wrapped into one package with Japanese Uncovered.